Hello guys, this is Gloria, and today, whoa, it's a crazy day today, as you could tell by the title of this video. I don't know why I had that weird accent when I said bida, but I can't speak English, because this is pretty crazy. So, if you could tell, this is YouTube, just with the little old YouTube, and if you can see here, this is Denis. Now, I'm a big nerd, but if you don't know who Denis is, they're a pretty popular YouTuber. They have 7.3 million subscribers. So, guys, if you haven't checked out this channel already, go check Denis out. 7.3 million subscribers. And I just wanted to point out, this is one of the best Roblox days ever. Because, first of all, before I actually get into the main topic of this video, alright, Denis, with 7.3 million subscribers, is doing this little mini old series where he takes his fans' YouTube ideas and like puts them in a video all about that idea. So, if you couldn't guess already, if we go a little bit over the skirt, oh, you see that llama right there? We're gonna go right here. Look at Denis's and his beautiful merch. Oh my god. And as you can see, Glory Alia, maybe go on your main account in a VIP Roblox server and pretend you're getting hacked. That was my random idea. And apparently he saw it, and my mind is like, boom, 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 wow. It's pretty crazy, guys. I've been noticed. Oh. So, thank you for using my idea, Denis. Now, let's get into the video. But first, before we do that, I forgot to mention, it was really funny when I first saw it, but he said my name is Glory, like, hold on, let me listen to this. Yep. If you couldn't hear that, he said Glory Alia instead of Alia, but that's okay, because this is my senpai right here. Okay, I'm kidding. Oh gosh, I'm just a bit weird today, alright. Alright, so guys, just go subscribe to Denis. He's pretty rad. He's pretty cool for using my idea. Wow, alright. So, on to the main thing that I wanted to do for this video. Wow, boom, boom, kaboom. Alright, let's go. Okay, hey guys, and, whoa, what is up here? Wow, we have 806 Robingles. What? Yep, today, guys, is a pretty crazy Roblox day. I just bought myself some Robingles, and as you can see in my face here, let's go to my avatar. I don't look well, I like this old outfit. Hold on, let me just wait for it to load. Wow, look at this sketchy item I have. Cool free tux. Wow. Alright. Alright, so I have this little outfit. It's a pretty free outfit. There's no things that cost Robingles. Ooh. So, today we are going to get things that cost Robingles. Wow. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is going to be real exciting. The only reason why I have 806 is because I was actually donated by one of my friends on Roblox, 13 Robux, so thanks. That's why I got this thing. So thank you, you're pretty cool. Alright, guys, it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna go here, and we're going to get some items. I don't know what I should get. Here. Don't question me, but I want this certain thing called a bear face mask. Don't question why. I just like the look of it. That's also a bunny mask. Wow, there's a lot of masks. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's put this on and see what it looks like. This is a pretty rad item. We're gonna wait for it to load. Oh, wow, that's pretty nice, isn't it? I like the item. Let's buy it. Buy now. And shaboom. We now Now we look real fantastic. Alright, let's go back to the catalog. And what should we get next? Let's get ourselves some nice hair. Just some random hair that we're gonna get today. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. What should we get, guys? Oh, that's pretty scary. I don't know if I want that. Oh boy. There's a lot of hair. Wow. Ooh, look at that nice bacon hair. Alright. Let's go to the next thing. Maybe we should get this nice cinnamon hair. That's pretty cheap, actually. You know, when you see it, that is pretty cheap. Oh my gosh, that's expensive though. Alright, what else? There's also that long Twilight hair. This actually might match with our bear thing. There's a lot of good hairs. Wow. Alright, let's see. Does this look good at all? Maybe. Come on. Load. We're on. Come on, we're almost there. Oh boy. That looks pretty interesting. Alright guys, first of all, I'll be right back. I'm just going to remove some of the items on my avatar so it will look better on the preview, because we're going to get a whole new makeover look here with our little Roblox avatar boy. So, I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I look so naked. We need some clothes, we need hair, we need a lot of things. So let's go right back to the catalog and get some juicy hair. Oh gosh, that sounds so wrong. Oh damn, that looks really, really spicy. Ooh, wow. Oh boy. Sigh. What should we get? Putting my hand on my chin right now. Cinnamon hair? Question mark, question mark, question mark? Do we want cinnamon hair, guys? Let's see. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe that will look pretty fancy. Ooh, damn, I already look like I look like every Roblox character right now. Oh damn, this is pretty interesting. But honestly, I kind of like this hair. You know what? I think we're gonna go and buy this hair. I like it. We're gonna get it. Oh yes. Also, guys, I think I'm just gonna stick with my old like clothes thingy. You remember that heart top and the ripped up pant thingy that I bought like for 6 Robux? Yeah, this amazing tart with fire around it. Wow, that's just how fancy it is, guys. That's why I would like to keep it. It's really fancy. What am I doing? Alright, yeah, that looks pretty fancy. Oh yes. What else do we want to add to this feller? What, right here? Maybe we could add like some kind of crown on his head. Let's go on over to featured. Let's see. Accessories? Sure. Oh my gosh, that is super expensive. We need something from like 1 to, I don't know, let's just go 600. 1 to 600, let's see here. Oh, pastel beer. That is really spicy. I love it, but sadly, I don't think that I would like to have that on my character right now. I cannot English very good. A holiday crown. Oh boy, I'm just gonna be like every person in Roblox if I get that holiday crown. I'll also be like everyone in Roblox if I get this hair. Ay. Let's see. Unavailable items. Let's see here. Let's go to the most favorite hit. Guys, I found it. I don't know if you can see it right now, but I found it. the paper hat. Of course, I'm getting a paper hat. Oh man, something just fell. Alright, that's fine. Yes! I got a paper hat. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Should we get this, guys? I like the paper hat. I like the paper hat. It looks pretty fantastic right about now. I like the paper hat. But should we get the paper hat? So I think we're going to take it off for now. But maybe later we'll come back to it. Because I only have a certain amount of Robux left. I only have 600 left. So, let's see here. Should we get nerd glasses? Because I'm a big fat nerd. Cry. I know what, guys, this is what we should do. We should go to home. Oh my gosh, look at me. And let's see some of my other friends' outfits. And maybe we could, buy that stuff off of them. Right. I'll be right back when I have found someone that I want to take their clothes. Yeah. Alright guys, I am back and I have found the perfect thing. The obvious spy cat. I'm a spy. It's perfect. Also, shout out to Flower Petal. So I could steal her items off of her. Obvious spy is obvious. Alright, that sounds... I just said that really weirdly. I'm a spy. No one will know that I'm a spy. Like, when you look at me and think that I'm a spy? No, I thought so. Alright, let's buy that. I'll only have 601 Robux left. Alright, guys. I think we have done pretty well today. I kind of want nerd glasses now. Anyway, let's go and put this stuff on. We're gonna hop into a game because I only have a certain amount of time left before I have to go. So let's quickly put on this obvious spy cap. Wow, I really like the new me. I'll probably buy some more things in the future, but for now, I really like this little obvious spy. Her name is going to be Obvious. Alrighty, let's go hop into a... No, just ignore that. Oh gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna be right back again, and I'll get to you when I'm done. Alright guys, and I'm back. I just realized I can finally play Bloxburg. Now, I've never played Bloxburg before because I've only ever had 13 Robux. I was so poor, I didn't even have 25. Alright, so let's follow the game. Let's favorite the game, because I know it's going to be fantastic. I've seen so many people play this game, and already, let's just get it right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, I just realized that I can't go on a Roblox game with Screencast-O-Matic, because every time I try doing that, my game crashes. It's pretty sad. So this is going to have to be a part 1 of getting Robux. Oh boy, I'm pretty excited to go into Bloxburg in the next video. So I'm just going to end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!